Hi guys, hi friends. Today we have this new model just arrived in our store. This one is Lunox 1.0. This one is size 20. Size 20 with the 7-speed shifter, next steel frame, and this with the mechanical disc brake. Okay, you see if the color nice or not. This one is a blue with a bit of matte gray. Got a few models. Sorry, few colors. Okay, so this one size 20. The tire is easy to find. Oh yeah, this one is a double wall rim. Double rim means it can support up to 100 kilos. Okay, so what's the benefit of the folding bikes? You can adjust the height of your seat and your height of your handlebar. So you can do for family outing like cycle, across Lano. You can fold and put inside your car and bring around. Okay. So if you're all interested, you can always message us or WhatsApp us for this model. Okay, I will upload in the website. Then you all can have a look of the spec. Okay, it's a very nice bike. Okay, this is how you fold your bicycle. Okay, this model. Okay, you can fold the handlebar. Okay, then you can put inside your car. You can adjust your seat post. Okay, and it's done. Okay, this is the model Lunox 1.0.